Please turn off your cell phones and enjoy the show. Greetings movie makers, this is Cinematic Productions tutorial number 41. Today's tutorial is how to fix invisible models. I get a lot of comments about why their models are invisible, and finally, I figured out why. It took a while for searching this problem, thanks to Private Jack. Now, I can tell you why models are invisible. Either they could be in the wrong folder, or misspelled, or both. So let's fix the problem. Let's say I want to spawn a shark, but it's invisible. Now how do I make it visible? Click cancel first. Then go to the console on your keyboard. Or you can go to Windows, then console. When it comes to finding your model, make sure you read this message carefully. Failed to load a VVD, data for, the folder's name path, and the model. Now I put the shark model in the models folder, which is in the wrong place. If the model or the folder is misspelled, or in the wrong folder, make sure to change it exactly as the console tells you. Otherwise Source Filmmaker can't find it. Now once you have it in the right place, hit rescan first. And there you go, the model is visible now. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out on how to begin with your SFM project. Sooner or later I'll be teaching you some more tips and tricks on your SFM project. Subscribe and leave a like, and I will see you next time.